Hi everyone, welcome to my video. If this is your first time here, I am Robin Kay. I'm a Chalk Couture independent designer. And if you don't know what that is, Chalk Couture is a DIY home decor direct sales company. And welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing our heart pattern transfer. Our transfers are sticky on the back, and they are a silk screen material. And I'm going to be using our wood cutouts that you can get on my chalk site, and I'm going to start. I'm going to use Shimmer Shadow and Shimmer Gold, and then I'll be using Shimmer Crimson and Shimmer Silver on the back sides. And let's get started. First I'm going to cut these apart. They have lines on them, and I'm using our transfer trimmers. It has like a coating on it, so it keeps it transfer from sticking to it if it catches on it. I'm going to be taking a marker, marking the back of the transfer. I'm going to go ahead and put this as a 1. Mark 1 on the back of this. I'll put this one as a 2, just so that we know that the which side we put our transfers back on, so they don't they will stick to the back. The other side is shiny. Okay. And I am going to start with this one. And normally on wood we might want to wax. Here we're not very humid, especially if you're high humidity. I'm not very humid. It's not very high humidity here, but I will fuzz it a little bit. But we've got a lot of silk screen showing, so I don't want to keep it from sticking, because the only part that's going to stick, and I think I'm going to use my upline always shows where he uses a light pad so that he gets it lined up straight. Give them a little vintage. It could be like this, like this, like that. Wherever you want to put them. I'm going to put them on a tier tray. It's kind of rustic looking. But please comment. All the details for my links are down below, so subscribe, comment, and like my channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video, and bye.